Brian A. Benjamin is an American businessman and politician serving as a member of the New York State Senate from the 30th District. He also serves as the senior assistant majority leader of the Senate. A political progressive, he has focused on criminal law reform efforts such as bringing greater accountability to the NYPD, significantly limiting police no-knock warrants, ending cash bail, ending solitary confinement, not incarcerating parolees for parole violations, restoring the voting rights of parolees, allowing felons who completed their sentences to serve on juries, and passing an anti-chokehold act. He also sponsored and passed the Rainy Day Fund bill that allowed New York City to set aside funds in a revenue stabilization fund. The district Benjamin represents covers most of central Harlem and includes parts of the neighborhoods of East Harlem, Hamilton Heights, Morningside Heights, Washington Heights, the Upper East Side, the Upper West Side, and Yorkville in Manhattan. On August 25, 2021, New York Governor Kathy Hochul selected Benjamin as her nominee for lieutenant governor. Benjamin was born in Harlem Hospital, the son of Caribbean immigrants. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.